And for the welcome remarks, may I call on Sir June Abines.
This was originally to be done by Governor Pam Baricuatro, but our good governor, who is also a part of our team, had to back off because he's currently in Manila doing some seminars in the capital.
Mayong buntag sa tanan. Magandang umaga. Good morning everyone sa nanonood sa YouTube sa live natin. In behalf of Governor Pam Baricuatro, I'm honored to do this opening welcome remarks. I'm June Abines, a Cebuano, and why in Cebu? We are having this National Forum for Peace and Prosperity, no to war, because Cebu is one of the most historic sites in the Philippines. It all started, as far as our written history is concerned, it all started when Magellan came and the Cebuanos, or say the Filipinos, resisted. After that, there were many wars happening in the last 504 years. From 1521 to 2025. So 504 years. Ang mga Pilipino is always or are always on the receiving end. We did not invade other country, but most of the time, we suffer because of other people's war. Because we are an island, we did not go anywhere para mang-invade. But somehow, in the last 500 years, we saw a lot of wars. Even the anniversary of World War II happening now. So, Cebu, being in the middle or in the heart of the Philippines, we are the heart, we are the conscience of the Filipino. We want to speak our heart that enough of troubles, enough of hatred, enough of killing each other, enough of war. That is our message today. This National Forum should go everywhere in the Philippines because right now we are on the verge of a very, very big conflict in the world. So, kitang mga Pilipino, tayong mga Pilipino dapat maintindihan ang katotohanan, maintindihan ang mga issue para yung mga desisyon natin as a country is guided by the truth, not with lies. That is the spirit of this forum. We want peace for prosperity. We are against war. We are against destruction. We want friendship and love to everyone. Welcome to Cebu. Welcome to our National Forum for Peace and Prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.